tow truck. Are you subscribed? Did you get your merch? Do you have merch?
When's that coming out? Oh my god, stop.
What are you doing? Why you look like an Ewok? You look at you. What are you doing, Lydia?
I'm trying to hide my face.
Yo, I'm dying. Evan! Kong, look at Lydia. Oh, Kong, doggy. Hey, buddy. Evan! Come here.
She looks like a little ball.
Look at Ewok. This is hilarious. Hey, good morning, little guy. What's poppin'? Guys, we had a bit of a night last night. Brendan is actually still sleeping.
Oh, you want to be Brendan? Great angles.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Logan Paul. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a part of the Logang. We go hard as bro. I don't know if this is working, Evan.
I like it.
I just feel like the angle's lower than usual.
It's like,
I wouldn't go wake up.
it makes you look taller though.
Get out of my face.
Get out of my head. Trying to blow dry and President, you just wanted 30 million views. Can't do it.
Come on, buddy. Let's go get Brendan.
Brendan? Oh, he must be in the shower. Oh, the door's open. Brendan, is your penis out? His penis is out. I'm sorry about seeing your wiener. Okay. Could you come film the vlog after you're done? No, I say it jokingly, but his wiener was definitely out. We're still working on Kong learning how to do stairs. Buddy, just go around. I'll see you later. Evan! You know how every time I come in your room I say, yo, is your wiener out?
Yeah.
Well, I just run in Brendan's room. Go away. Actually, well, Brendan's not here. This is perfect. I need you. Oh, see, Kong came down the stairs. I need you, and I need you. As y'all know, the merch closet is slowly coming together. Look at all this beautiful merch, baby. It don't stop. Ewok. So Lydia built this, and I also like how you did this. Like a cute little sign, like, you know. But, guys, yesterday, we dropped backpacks. Granted, we already had the hottest backpacks in the...
As you know, guys, this is Evan's Highway Car Accident by Logan Paul. If you were part of the Logan, go subscribe to him. And then, Mr. Maverick. I'm a Logan Paul. Wait, what?
Jake Paul's the better.
What? Logan Pauler is Logan Paulers are they're in the Logan and they're Jake Paulers. Idiot.
If we just decided to drop more. The blue tiger, the blue sherbert, the gray sherbert. And then if you're a youth, we have these smaller ones, so that's why I brought you guys up, because you're tinier. Here you go, Ev.
Backpack is not tiger.
So what is it?
This is camo.
Camo. I'm colorblind. Oh, man, you guys look great. Anyway, Logan Paul. Y'all know we just dropped bottoms. It will be the most comfortable bottom you've ever worn in your life. No joke. Okay, anyways, Brendan. Yo, how does this keep happening? Brendan, I need you to film. My dog gets trapped. How do you guys think he gets on the middle? Like, he either has to go up or down. So when he gets to that middle, like, staging area, what makes him think he's trapped? He's halfway there. He did the first half. Kong, you need help. And you need Jesus. And Maverick merch. What are you laughing at?
I don't know what's happening here.
Yo, me either, bro. You look funny.
E.T. phone home.
Does she not look like an Ewok?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ewok. You can't see it because I edited it, but Ewok. No, you can't see. It's not real life. I edited it.
Oh, okay.
Ewok. I was in trouble. Yeah.
I'm on the side of the highway.
Why?
I started fishtailing. Your tire was. I started fishtailing, and I had to get over to the side.
It's that flat?
I told you it's that flat.
Oh, whoa. Easy with the two. Do one thing for me. Take a deep breath.
I'm freaking.
No. Deep breath. I want to see you do it. Let out. Okay, send me your location. I'm gonna come and save your ass. And the rest of your body, too. My boy went to drive my car. Car's got a flat tire. He's like, should I still drive it? I was like, why not? We gotta go save Evan, guys. No friend of mine gets stranded on the highway, especially not the dwarf. The sirens are going on. I see him. Logan!
The tire popped! And I started fishtailing!
Double!
I was done!
Evan, I got you!
Hate us right now!
No, Amy, who are you?
I love you so much.
Stop on the
You
highway!
just stopped on the highway to say hi? Wait!
Yeah.
Do you happen to have a tow truck?
Please.
Is that English? Definitely got ourselves a predicament here.
Highway causes so much traffic!
Yeah, but we look so good!
Yo, we might as well do a music video, bro! Got them dwarf problems. Got them.
What? Hello? You have a tow truck? Are you in the Logang? Subscribe.
Look at all the traffic causing!
No, this is crazy. I'm starting to realize why traffic jams are caused. It's because idiots like us get like stuck on the highway, driving with flat tires, and for some reason, everyone feels the need to slow slow down.
Oh, what the Yo, the tire, though. You're not driving this.
Yo.
You're not driving this. I didn't see this. I haven't checked it out yet. This tire is...
It's not even, this isn't a flat tire, it's just a rim.
Let me drive on that.
I didn't know it was that bad. You didn't know it was that bad.
No, it wasn't that bad. But still.
I thought you could just like go to the store and fill it up.
Son, you could go 22 miles on a flat-ass tire going 50 on the highway.
It was 22 miles. How can I help you? I don't know what to do with it. I have no plan.
We need a tow truck.
I don't have a tow truck. Do you have a tow truck?
I don't have a tow truck. Do you have like AAA or
The battery?
roadside assistance?
Batteries?
Yeah, like a AAA battery.
I know batteries.
Tires take batteries?
How's it gonna help, Brendan?
That's why you just a video.
AAA. AAA is a roadside assistance service.
Let's ask these people.
Do you have a tow truck? Oh my God, what do you have a tow truck?
What is he?
Do you have a tow truck?
Does anybody here? They're not listening to me.
Does anybody have a tow truck? Do you have a tow truck? Do you own a tow truck? Are you subscribed? Did you get your merch? Do you have merch? Does anybody? Hello, sir? Do you need roadside assistance? Can I assist you in any way?
We need to signal the distress call. I hope that works. What's wrong?
We're gonna get arrested.
For what? For what? Being flat tired?
Go to the traffic jam.
Tow truck!
Tow truck.
Tow truck! Tow truck! More like no truck! Maybe if you give me a hand.
Lift with your legs and not your back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think you're doing with your back. Lifting with nothing but his back.
I don't even have a back. Just a flapjack.
Hey, low gang for life. You got a tow truck?
No, the low gang coming through. Yeah, the dwarf did it.
What?
Nothing? Here we go, big move. I do need help.
What you need?
Do you have a tow truck? Yeah. That's my boy.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you. I don't know. Hey,
That was amazing.
what's up?
I think he tried to kiss her nipple or something. Huh?
How is this our fault? He doesn't like where I parked.
Oh, that's what he just said.
He's like, damn, bro. I think you're super cool. Like, I know you. My kids know you. I bought your merch last night, but you just can't park up there. What a nice guy, bro.
Yo, Evan, this is why you have flat tires, bro.
You can't just be putting the cappuccinos on the tire, bro. What are you doing?
Obviously, it wasn't there when I was driving.
Okay, so we're not arrested. We're still alive. I'm gonna move the Yeti, and then hopefully we get towed. Bro, you can't put cappuccinos on the tire. That's why it passed.
Swear to God, if you tell the cop that's what happened, I'm so pissed.
Thank you for watching my vlog. Second of all, I want to say the fact of this, that I'm coming to save you from whatever situation this is.
I'm the one being saved. No, I'm the one doing the saving, bro. I saved Evan. Look at this great job I'm doing.
That car has a flat tire, bro.
Obviously, Jake, he's put cappuccinos on it, bro. How many people do you have? A lot of people. That chick, she's hot.
That's Justin's girlfriend. You know what's messed up? You want to talk about messed up?
Yeah, that
You're
video.
talking about
The video.
how we're not close.
The issue is that I'm not close with Jake, that I don't know this. I'm not close with Jake. I'm not close with Jake. I'm not close with Jake.
What do you mean?
Let me
Yeah,
address this.
I tried to prevent this. He was a little...
Guys, low gang. I went out last night, and the paparazzi asked me a question, and I knew the answer, but I wanted to avoid the question. So I was like, yeah, Jake and I aren't close. I'm sorry, bro. I'm close with you. Mwah, you're my brother. I love you.
So should we kiss?
No.
Rule number 1, bro. Never talk to the paparazzi.
Here's the issue, bro. Jake, you know this, bro. I've been making videos since I was 10, bro. I love being on camera. I love it, bro. So when they talk to me, I'm like, yeah, bro. But I'm drunk as... Yo, honestly, Jake, the craziest part about this is how did Justin get a hot girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm confused.
She's hot.
And he has a Ferrari.
Did they, like, have conversations?
Yeah, they like smash, I guess. I don't know.
Out of everything that's going on today, like, yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, yeah,
I just
I
can't believe
know.
that
I have
kid
a
is
lip
dating
tattoo, by the
that
way.
girl. That's crazy, bro. Good for him.
Bro, it's all personality.
The Ferrari.
What?
Never mind. All right, listen, I'm close with you, bro.
We're super close.
Physically. Do you have a tow truck? Oh, better than a tow truck. Lydia! Ewok!
Lydia! You're fired.
No, you're not fired.
No, I fired him.
The same tire that's getting flat. Is it not?
Do you have a tow truck?
No, I had no information what was going on.
You're telling me, out of all these kids on Team 10, not one of them has a tow truck?
Thanks for nothing!
I'm just kidding, guys. I love Jake. I'm close with Jake. I don't know why I said that. I got a little too crazy last night. But yeah, I immediately regret saying that. What I like to do in my life is like take lessons from things. That specifically, I learned I am not going to talk to paparazzi. Like, I love it. They're human beings and they ask me questions. I don't want to just ignore them. Like, that's rude to me. But obviously, opening my mouth is much, much worse. Anyways, where's the f***ing contract? Ah!
Hey.
I thought you were going to kill me just now.
Yeah.
Are you in the low gang?
Yeah.
My boy! Yo, this is your fault! How is this my fault? Bro, do I need to bring up the cappuccinos again? That's not what happened! Not to mention, I just dropped my glasses and stepped on them and cracked them. And they're awesome, they're Ray-Bans. Are you gonna save the day?
You guys are all stupid.
We know that. I know I'm stupid. What happened to your glasses? What? Nothing. I feel like now's a good time to say, yo, Brendan, we are going to Dubai tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys. Dubai, we are coming for you. Don't forget, if you live in Dubai, I want to meet you on November 11th, 5 p.m. at the Dubai Mall. We are hosting, listen, when I say this, the biggest meet and greet ever. Of all time. Am I in the way? I'm sorry, bro. I'll go over here. So, yeah, if you're in the United Arab Emirates, you want to say what up to the Maverick, come see me, say hi, and we're about to get crazy. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Good work, Evan. That's my boy. Oh, man. Thank you, bro. Seriously. No problem. This is like classic example of the low gang coming together to save my ass. Oh, the one shirt I have. My boy's a Maverick. Thank you, bro. All right, let's head over to West Coast Customs. Yeah. We made it to West Coast Customs. I forgot. These guys are working on my cool bus. It's here somewhere. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Ooh, I missed it, bro. We're gonna get it back when we come back from Dubai. But the real reason that we are here. You do cars, you do trucks. But do you do chairs? And not just any chair, bro. This is like a custom-made beast chair.
What am I gonna do with this chair?
Can you, like, put it on a platform with wheels and put, like, a joystick right here?
So you can actually
So you
drive
can
around?
just wheel around the house. Like, big wheels, bro. Like, if I want to go
off-road
cruising through the
tires?
backyard, like, can it get done?
Of course it can get done.
That's what I'd like to hear, bro.
But honestly, I think this one is a job for Dynamite Dylan.
Dynamite Dylan. Dylan!
Yes.
I want you to f*** on my chair, bro. Is he capable of, like, could you?
I mean, this is his forte.
It's just young, right? Like, I mean, like, I get it.
He
Like,
grew up in the shop. He knows what to do. I mean, he's basically gonna
I do it.
Stephen Hawking's wheelchair with something out of Mad Max.
Oh my gosh, that's exactly, right, he's perfect, bro.
I told you.
You need to have more sons. Okay, guys, we are back at the house. Fun fact, this is actually the first time I've been in this hot tub. And I gotta say, Brendan, we got a hot tub, bro. This shit's hot as f***. Yeah, I'm kind of just cooling off, getting ready, mentally preparing for the Dubai trip.
Sorry, did you say you're cooling off?
In a hot tub? Oh, Brendan. So funny! The thing about that is actually, so literally as soon as this vlog ends, we have to shoot tomorrow's vlog, like, at night, because the flight is 16 hours, so I'm not gonna have time to, vlog there and then upload. Guys, do not forget, we just dropped 6 more Maverick backpacks. I hired a professional model to actually model them for us. She's right there, check it out. Could you do a spin and show off how awesome we are? Sexy! Y'all know where to get it. LoganPaul.com/shop or link in the description. Hottest merch in the game, man. We drop bottoms, we got tops, we got hoodies. The favorite hoodie selling like I got church. And last but not least, you guys remember I did an episode of Logan Paul Versus where I hitchhiked from Vancouver, Canada to Tijuana, Mexico. The boy was dropped off in a Canadian location and given 30 hours to travel to Tijuana, Mexico by any means necessary. I'm talking crossing 2 international borders and I'm doing it with nothing. Who's trying to take a shot south? I'm filming a show. It's called Logan Paul Versus. This is my show. Always play. You're Logan Paul? Hitchhiking! 2,400 miles, nothing, no wallet, no phone, nothing. The episode is out now on my Facebook at Logan Paul, or I'm gonna put a link for that in the description. Check it out, like it, give it a share. Low gang, I love y'all, and I will see you tomorrow, which for me is actually gonna be in like 30 minutes. Anyways, take it easy, fam. Peace.
I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my.
Anybody have a tow truck?
So guys, that was what? So guys, that was Evan's Highway Car Accident.
What are you two letting her in?